What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I have an early review. We got the black box with the red Nike, and we got the Jordan 1 Bloodline. We have Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, gym red, white. Actually picked these up early. I picked these up Tuesday. My Foot Locker had an early release because they had some type of event. Alright, so we got the Bloodline Jordan 1. We got that red bottom with that Nike in the middle. White midsole. Black and white tumbled leather. The leather quality on this is super buttery and soft and tumbled and nice. The whole shoe is a good quality leather. The toe box, the black around the toe box, the white, you can see the wrinkle and how soft it is. The side panel is super soft and tumbled. The swoosh, the heel, the lace hoops is soft. Usually you get those Jordan 1s with the hard black leather on the lace hoops and on the toe box and right here, but this whole shoe is a nice soft quality tumbled leather. I remember saying that when I did a review on the Defiance, the one with the yellow swoosh. But these are nice. I don't know, I think people sleeping on them, but the leather quality on this is super nice, man. You gotta check it out in person. It's just A1 quality. So you got the white nylon tongue with that black tab and the red Nike Air. You have red laces. You have red laces, and it does come with 2 extra lace right there. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. And the insole, you have a black sock liner, black insole, and on the insole it says, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" in red. And on the outside of the shoe, have a red outline around each cut of the black leather. It's like a fabric material. I can't really tell what it is. It's like a cloth fabric felt type material on the red that outlined the black. It looked pretty dope to me, in my opinion. I like this. I like the leather. I love the leather quality though. The leather quality on these is super nice. And we have the extra laces right here. We have the black laces with "Who said man were not meant to fly" around the laces. And then we have the regular flat white laces. And you do have a big bag with the Jumpman on both bag. So this is an early review from a Foot Locker event. They released these early, but I'm just doing a review now. So let me know what y'all think about these, man. If y'all feeling these, I'm feeling them. They're dope. The leather quality is nice on them. You could probably get rid of those shiny gym red ones if y'all have those and pick these up instead. The quality of this is way better than those. It's similar to the Defiant, but a little bit more softer all around. So like the video, hit that subscribe button. It's free and it takes less than 1 second. Just scroll down, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for that on foot.